I'm up here at the Japanese Gardens today. I'm with Megumi. In Megumi, the trees are just in full color and they're spectacular.
They are really at peak right now, despite the wind and the rain from the weekend. It's just the colors throughout all of our garden spaces are just so vibrant and beautiful. It's just unbelievable right now.
We were talking earlier, some people are saying, they didn't think the fall colors are that great this year. I would beg to differ, and I think they're even more spectacular.
Oh, absolutely. And as you'll recall, we went through a lot this year in terms of extreme weather. We had an ice storm, snowstorms, we had record-breaking heat. Despite that, I think nature has just shown that it's resilient and the colors are just more intense than ever, at least in our opinion.
Right.
And we see this a lot, so yeah.
Yeah, I would agree. Just, they're just that much more brilliant.
Yeah, there's a lot of reds and oranges this year, as you can see. It kind of differs year by year on what color range you see.
Right.
Last year we saw a lot of yellows and oranges. This year there's a lot more intense reds. So,
and about how long, they're in blue color right now.
Yeah.
About how long do you kind of think that those are going to continue?
I would say this year, through the end of the first week of November. So typically we've seen them linger throughout, mid-November, but just with the winds and everything, I don't know if it'll last that long.
Right.
We'll see.
But even after the leaves fall, the garden totally transitions for the winter months, and you really see the structure of all the branching of the trees, which is spectacular.
Yeah, there's really magic in the transition of the seasons, I think. It's just anytime you come, you get to see, in the winter it's all about the bone structure of the trees, and you can really see lots of the greens pop. Of course, in the fall you've got this color, so there's something special for every season, for sure.
And there's a lot more going on at the gardens now than just, sure you can come up and view the gardens and see the great color.
Oh, absolutely.
But you have a lot more other activities going on,
We
too.
do. So, during COVID, we had to pause on a lot of our cultural activities and elements of the garden, but now we have our volunteer tours starting up again, so people can really walk through. The tours are about an hour and really learn much more about each of the spaces and sort of the design and intentionality, and also about the plants.
Right.
We also have cultural performances and demonstrations, so things like ikebana or koto harp. We have those typically on Wednesdays and Saturdays right now, so we have those back here.
And so, for more information on, where can people go to find out the information, what's going on at
Well, our website and our social media are the best places to go. Our website really is sort of the catch-all for all of that. Our social media is great for things like fall color and really knowing what the status is.
Right.
But yeah, our website is sort of the best place.
And it is still time ticketed entries.
Yep. Yeah. Tickets are online. tickets.japanesegarden.org. We have some tickets reserved at the Welcome Center for those who are a little bit more spontaneous or maybe just couldn't get online or something. But yes, that's the best place to go.
Okay. Well, the gardens are spectacular right now. They're in full color. So make sure you come out and enjoy the color, and then come back often, because the gardens are changing throughout the seasons and the times. So it's been a pleasure to be out here, and the gardens are stunning. So we want to make sure you come back out, and it's been great to be out here. So
Thank you for having us. Thank you always for coming.